Hey friends, so today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. Got lots of great things. Mostly Christmas. Not gonna lie, lots and lots of Christmas things. So I can't wait to share you everything that I got. So let's get started. As always, these are going to be in no particular order, just whatever I pull out of the bag first, right? So, my Dollar Tree got in the little village things. Now, I want to say that used to, like years ago, Dollar Tree had the little villages, and they were ceramic, and they were so sweet. Now they're plastic, and so I moved to the bigger village a couple years ago, so it really doesn't bother me, affect me, but I really was kind of bummed that they went to the plastic. But anyway, I did get some of the little treats. I wish I had gotten a couple more of these, because the next time I went, they were out already. How you like that? And you'll see probably in another bag. I got some white ones too, but I got these, and then I got these little this little bench and these little light posts. So I was really excited to get that. I did get some of this ribbon. It says the elves maybe do it. How funny is that? And I picked up the only thing else in this bag. I have much more bags, but I picked up three of the solar lights. You guys have seen me haul these before. I've done some craft projects with them before, and in fact I have one that I'm going to do for a Christmas gift, and then these are for us because we have a solar light kind of thing that we made on our front porch, and I noticed that all of the lights were just like burned out. They're just, old, and like a couple of them are broken anyway. But anyway, these were really nice, really good quality, really pretty. And so I just bought, for $1, I just bought lights to replace it. The next item I bought was this adhesive spray. I had not seen this at Dollar Tree before, so I was pretty excited to try that. So I liked that. I picked up some feathers. I feel like the last few times I've done some craft projects, I've needed feathers for a few things, and I just haven't been able to find them. So I don't have a specific craft in mind right now, but that is coming soon. Oh, this was actually from Dollar General. I think this is from Dollar General. But anyway, isn't that cute? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's from Dollar General. But anyway, just a little bonus there, right? Sometimes things just get stuck in bags, right? So I did pick up one of these stretch canvases. I think I'm going to do a Christmas reverse canvas out of that. So stay tuned for that. You guys have seen me use this in my crafting several times, and so I picked up another one of those to have because sometimes Jacob helps me with things or whatever. It's always just nice to have two, and I really like it. Speaking of that, I did get some thinner ones. So sometimes I just need like a thinner one, and these came 3 for $1. Like, a good deal, right? I picked up, this is not Christmas related or craft related. This is just a document frame, and this is not for a craft at all. This is actually for me for work. I have a work certificate I need to hang up. So I bought that for that. Sorry if I'm going kind of fast. I have a lot of things here, right? These were such a good deal, guys. These were like, they were just putting these out. These are going to go so fast. If you see these, I had seen some similar ones for $10 at Hobby Lobby, like right before I came there. So anyway, these are like little slipper booties. They only had 2. I bought both pair because I bought one for me, and I got one for a Christmas gift, and so I liked that. I bought this. This is just for my son's stocking. He likes little military vehicles like that. Look at this Santa, this Santa picture. I feel like it's a good size. I bought it for a craft project, but oh my gosh, I thought he was just all kinds of adorable. All kinds of adorable. Oh, here's my little white trees. So if you see these, pick them up because they're going fast. Like I bought those at a separate time, the green ones, and then I decided to get more. And when I went back, they only had a couple packages of the white ones. I probably should have got more, but I only got one. I got a couple of these little Christmas picks. I usually don't buy these too often, but I thought they would be really cute for some craft projects. There's trying to get it to but yeah, they are really, really cute. I bought this for a DIY. I don't know if I can find the thing. I don't know where oh, there, it's on the tag. So I bought one of these for a DIY. Super pretty. Super pretty. I picked up a couple of these, guys. I thought these were really cute. my youngest loves snow globes, so I actually thought they would be cute to put his picture in. So I bought a couple. I don't know if I'm going to just set them on my desk, or maybe he can give one to his grandparents. I don't know, but I bought a couple of those because I thought they were sweet, and you know, for $1, they're a cute little gift that he'll enjoy. Let's see. Oh, here are the other pair of those booties. Again, guys, if you see these, pick these up. They are going to go super fast. I finally found, our Dollar Tree has not had these, but I finally found one of this. Like, this was the only one they had. So I picked up that for a DIY. I'm pretty excited about that. I picked up a couple of these little Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree. And if you have seen any DIY or know anything about these trees, that they are they're a little bit of a Charlie Brown tree. They really are a little. So just pick you up a package of these garland ties, and it'll make it look so full. So I picked up 2 each. I picked up 2 trees and 2 packages of ties to do a couple DIYs. So stay tuned. And I picked up some little fairy lights also for a craft project. Okay, so that is all I bought. I'm not sure if I shared with you in my last Dollar Tree haul or not. Maybe in the middle of a Dollar Tree haul. But I also got some those red and white buffalo check chargers and a couple little pot holders and things. Guys, when I first went, they had a ton of them. And I should have bought more things, but I picked up a couple things, and now they're completely sold out of every Dollar Tree I found. So if you see anything buffalo check and you want it, get it, sand bubble chuck, gingham, whatever you want to call it. There's a lot of different names for it, but if you want it, get it, because it's going to sell out really, really fast. But anyway, guys, that is all I have today. I know it was kind of quick. I rushed through everything, but that's just because I had a lot of items, and I can't wait to share with you the DIYs that I have coming up. They're going to be so cute. You're going to want to say, make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell notification so YouTube will let you know when I upload a video. Anyway, until then, guys, I will see you next time. Bye.